Today, we are talking about the most important part of producing great workout videos: editing. If you're a fitness instructor, personal trainer, or just love creating workout content, this video is for you. You can have an amazing routine, but if your footage isn't polished, it can be hard to keep viewers engaged. With the rise of online training, Zoom workouts, and social media fitness, editing is more essential than ever. By refining your videos, you'll capture more attention, maintain a professional brand image, and help clients follow each move correctly. This is especially critical for complex training methods or group classes where clarity matters most. In this video, I'll share the top editing apps for your workout videos. So why bother with a specialized editing tool when there are plenty of free editors? Workout videos have unique demands: timers, rep counts, exercise labels, transitions, and even live broadcasting for virtual classes. All these elements must be smooth to keep trainees motivated and focused. A specialized solution can help you handle these features quickly and easily, saving you time and making your content look professional. That's crucial in a crowded fitness space where presentation can make or break your brand. We'll look at three main options, starting with the easiest and best: FitCut Pro. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about fitcutpro.com, which I believe is the top choice for editing workout videos. It's made specifically for fitness pros and content creators who want a polished look without wrestling with complicated software. Here's what sets it apart: Zoom integration. If you run live Zoom workouts, FitCut Pro is revolutionary. You can overlay your workout plan on Zoom, so when it's time to switch exercises, a clip of you demonstrating the next move appears automatically, complete with timers, rest periods, and your branding. That alone can make you stand out from instructors who rely solely on a webcam feed. User-friendly interface. No complicated timelines or advanced tools to learn. You can upload up to 1,000 exercise clips, add transitions, overlay text, and style your theme colors. Beginners can get a pro look in no time. Automatic timers and animations. Time sets are crucial in many workouts, so FitCut Pro includes built-in timers and slick animations. You won't have to create countdowns yourself. Everything is automated for you. High-quality output. The platform supports 1080p up to 4K, which is great for capturing your form clearly. High resolution also helps your videos stand out on YouTube or Instagram, perfect for social media. After editing, you can download ready-to-share videos or even do round-based workouts and exercise modifications. It's easy to build dynamic content that looks truly professional. Minimal learning curve. FitCut Pro keeps the workflow simple. You can brand your videos, schedule your plan, and be up and running quickly. It's a real time saver for busy trainers. Check out the demo on fitcutpro.com to see it in action. If you want to look professional and deliver top-tier workouts, FitCut Pro is the tool to try. Next is Adobe Premiere, a leading choice for many pro editors. It's powerful, offering multi-cam editing, advanced color correction, and special effects. If you've watched a polished video, chances are some of it was edited with Premiere. However, there are trade-offs. Steep learning curve. Its interface can be intimidating, highly technical, and mastering it can take months. Time commitment. If fitness is your focus, you might not want to devote hours to learning complex features. For maximum control and top-tier production value, Premiere is a heavyweight. But if you only need quick, fitness-focused features, FitCut Pro might be a better fit. Another option is hiring a professional video editor. If you have a big budget or represent a large brand, this can free you from the editing process. A skilled editor knows how to cut footage, add transitions, and make your workouts visually appealing. But there are downsides. High cost. Rates vary, but can be steep if you're churning out lots of content. Less creative control. Communicating every detail of your style can be challenging, and you might go back and forth with revisions. Delays. Editors have schedules and other clients, so you might wait longer for the final production. For major production houses or established fitness personalities, hiring an editor might be worth it. For most trainers or small businesses, an all-in-one tool like FitCut Pro offers a more budget-friendly, hands-on solution, letting you keep full control over your creative vision. Choosing the right video editing platform can truly elevate your online presence. FitCut Pro stands out for fitness creators thanks to its user-friendly design, built-in timers, and seamless Zoom integration, all tailored to trainers' needs. Adobe Premiere is a pro-level powerhouse if you can spare hours every week in order to learn it. Hiring an editor can offload the work, but also means higher costs and less hands-on control. For most fitness pros seeking efficient professional results, FitCut Pro is the clear winner. Check out fitcutpro.com and see how it can transform your content, enhance your brand, and save you valuable time. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, so tell me which editing app you plan to use. Remember, well-edited workout videos can boost engagement, build credibility, and truly show off your expertise. Whether you opt for FitCut Pro, Premiere, or a freelancer editor, the goal is to present your workouts in the best light possible. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay motivated and keep creating awesome fitness content.